We'll keep a welcome in the hillside, we'll keep a welcome in the glen. Oh, hello everybody. What do you think of my latest commission? It's the Welsh Flag. I've spent a lot of time in Wales. I've taught at Aberystwyth University and in Machynlleth. I've had an exhibition in Machynlleth. And in the Museum of Modern Art in Machynlleth, there is a triptych by me and a mural by me. So there we go. The Welsh dragon on the flag symbolises power and authority. So I've witnessed some of that firsthand during my time in Wales. There you go. So the dragon consists of 7 pieces, hand cut by me. I don't have a ring saw, and I'm really pleased with the result. I like the way it's disjointed in a way. It looks like a marionette. There's kind of marionette quality to it, a bit like Warhorse, say. Very animated. And I'm really pleased that my client agreed to just leave it as it is. I could have filled the gaps with glass or grout or even red paint, but we decided not to. And I'm really pleased with the result. So is he, but I wonder what the people of Wales would think of it. Yaki da!